This simple Facebook setting can help you reduce distractions and most users don't know about it. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on the sleep mode feature on Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app. Now tap on your profile picture. After that, tap on the three-line menu. Now tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on time management. Now here, you can see your average daily time spent on Facebook. Here, you will find the sleep mode option. Simply tap on it. Then turn on the sleep mode option. This feature can be useful if you don't want Facebook notifications to disturb you while you are sleeping, studying, working, or spending time with your family. Now choose your start time and end time from here. After that, select the days on which you want sleep mode to be active. Once you have finished, tap on save at the bottom. That's it, Facebook will automatically mute notifications during your selected time. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.